We are on day 6 of my 30-day guru challenge, where every single day I test a different piece of online business advice to see if it actually works in real life. Because today's guru advice is probably one of the most repeated things creators hear online. Done is better than perfect. Post before it's perfect. Stop overthinking and just upload. I am good at that. I overthink a lot. And at first, honestly, that sounds so simple. But when you're actually the person creating the content, it is way harder than what people make it seem. Because the truth is, most of us care deeply about what we create. We want the lighting right. We want the editing clean. We want the hook to hit. And we want people just to take us serious about our content that we enjoy creating. So this challenge is not really about posting bad content. It was about learning the difference between caring about your work and obsessing over perfection. So much that you delay posting completely. So once you actually create your content or create your video, and during the process, during while you posting, during the journey, it's okay to go back to your videos and critique yourself to get better. But don't try to run towards perfect, because to me, I think it's never going to be perfect, because we're human and we could always find something wrong with anything. So if we keep doing that, it's going to delay us from our goal and delay us from keep going forward, because we're stuck in our head. And that's what we don't want to do. But it's okay to hear other people's advice. If you watch my videos on this channel like months back, I used to like scream loud on my YouTube videos. Like as I talk, I will scream really, really loud on my videos, because that's what I heard from somebody else by watching other YouTubers. They would say, okay, you have to have a YouTube voice, or like when you create content, have a different voice. So I thought screaming was like, okay, yes, we're energetic about what we're saying. Until somebody posted under my video and was like, okay, can you stop screaming? And it was like, oh, okay. And then like when I be creating the content, my man would be like, oh, you're screaming really, really loud. Like, do you have to scream on your video? So it was like, okay. So it was like a little cringy. So it was like, okay, so we could change that. So now I don't scream on my video. So it's okay to basically critique yourself and change up things, but it's never going to be perfect. You know, you learn as you go. Okay, so don't be stuck in your head that you don't post or you don't go after your dream because you like, okay, I'm just want everything to be perfect. It's not going to be. It's just not. I'm sorry. The world is not perfect. It's just not realistic. Okay, you're going to just end up not doing it at all. Leave it alone. Just post, grow, learn, and change it up as you go. I think people misunderstand this advice all the time, because post before it's perfect does not mean you do not try. You do not edit. You do not put no care behind it. That is not what successful creators do. Even today, I still plan my content. I still film intentionally. I have an editor, so my editor still edit in a normal, regular style that we edit. But what I stopped doing was trying to make every tiny detail flawless. And that might sound small to some of you guys, till you realize how much time creators waste trying to chase perfection. That honestly, like I said earlier, does not exist. Because if you think about it, how many times have you rewritten a caption 15 times? Re-recording a clip over and over again? Or delay posting because something fell off? And meanwhile, someone else posted their imperfect version immediately and actually learned from it like I did. That part hit me. So for this challenge, this morning, I told myself, whatever I film today, I'm posting it. No overthinking, no over editing, no trying to make every second look perfect. Because as creators, we low-key feel pressure to look perfect all the time, especially online. You scroll on your news feed, everything looks clean, everything looks aesthetic pleasing, everything looks just perfect. Perfect lighting, perfect editing, perfect everything. But what people do not see is like the messy part that is behind it. Even this video I'm creating right now has mistakes. I stumble over my words. I can't get my thought across. Bad reads, random interruptions. The link is in the description. That's a tongue twister. The link is in the moments I forgot what I'm saying, which be a lot. I don't know, something about the camera is when you turn it on, you can have all the thoughts in your head, and then when you turn it on, when you say it out loud, it just don't come across as how you was thinking about it and how you said it off camera. I don't know. I don't know if that's for me or what, but I don't know. It just happens. So I start stumbling. I'm like, okay, I'm trying to get the thought out, but it won't come out fast enough. But that's a part of real content creation. And honestly, people connect with that more than we think. We're human. Because people do not connect with perfect. They connect with real. Things that they could relate to, or people that they could relate to. See, that was a mistake right there. Well, you might could say people that they relate to. Okay, whatever. And posting imperfect content or content that you feel like is imperfect is one of the real things that you can do as a creator. But if you have been waiting for everything to be perfect before you start selling digital products, stop waiting. My digital product starter kit shows you exactly how to get your first product. Your first product out and your first sale without needing everything to be perfect first. The link is in the description below and it's in the pinned comment if you want to go check that out. Tomorrow, I'm handing my content calendar over to ChatGPT and letting it plan everything for me. The ideas it came up with is actually might be kind of wild. Come back tomorrow to see what AI thinks we should be posting.